How to create PaySafeCard account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the site paysafecard.com. It will land you on this official page of PaySafeCard. Once you're in here, tap on how does it work. Right here you can basically see how it works. Scroll down and if you want to find a sales outlet, then click on find a sales outlet over here. Once you are done knowing how the PaySafeCard works, you can now create your account by tapping on sign up. First of all, enter your country and then click on continue. Then enter your email and the password of your email address. You need to head over to your email address and verify your email. Once you are verified, the next thing you want to do is to enter your name, your surnames and the date of birth. Once you have entered, now next thing you want to do is to enter your phone number. Now enter your specific address. You also need to mention your house number and the postal code. Once again, you'll have to enter your phone number. You will receive one verification code on your phone number. You need to copy that code and paste it here. And then you're done. Right here you can see it says welcome to PaySafeCard, which means that you have successfully created your PaySafeCard account. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to create your PaySafeCard account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.